In Apache Kafka, transactions provide a way to ensure that a series of operations, specifically, producing messages to multiple topics and partitions, and consuming messages with offset commits, are treated as a single, atomic unit. This is crucial for maintaining data consistency, especially in scenarios where data integrity is paramount. Here's a breakdown of Kafka transactions. Key concepts. Atomicity. This means that either all operations within a transaction succeed, or none of them do. If any part of the transaction fails, the entire transaction is rolled back. Transactional producer. A Kafka producer that is configured to perform transactional operations. It uses a link to transactional.id to identify and manage its transactions. Link to transactional.id. A unique identifier that allows Kafka to track transactions from a specific producer. It's essential for preventing zombie producers, instances of a producer that continue to operate after a failure, from corrupting data. Exactly once semantics, EOS. Kafka transactions are a key component in achieving EOS, which ensures that each message is processed exactly once, even in the event of failures. How Kafka transactions work. 1. Initiating a transaction. A transactional producer begins a transaction. 2. Producing messages. The producer sends messages to one or more Kafka topics and partitions. These messages are buffered until the transaction is committed. 3. Committing or aborting. If all operations succeed, the producer commits the transaction, making the messages visible to consumers. If any operation fails, the producer aborts the transaction, and the buffered messages are discarded. 4. Consumer behavior. Kafka ensures that consumers only see messages from committed transactions. Messages from ongoing or aborted transactions are withheld. Consumers can also participate in transactions by committing offsets transactionally. This allows for transactional, read-process-write patterns. Importance of Kafka transactions. Data integrity. Transactions prevent data inconsistencies that can occur when failures interrupt a series of related operations. Reliable data processing. They are essential for applications that require reliable data processing, such as financial systems, where data accuracy is critical. Complex data pipelines. They enable the creation of robust and reliable data pipelines that involve multiple Kafka topics